Hey guys, welcome back to part 3 of the Chevy build, guys, and we found an issue. So my rack pinion is messed up, guys, and what we're gonna be doing today is working on it, basically taking it off. I already purchased the new one, guys, and I'm gonna be showing y'all what it does right now. So let's get to it. This is gonna be our first startup. So you can see already, guys, I have a service power steering, drive with care, hood open, airbag, washer fluid low, tire monitor system, steering assistant reduce, stability track, and that's just the Wi-Fi. So let's turn it on, guys. Man, that sounds nice. So this is the issue that I'm having. My steering wheel is locked up. So I'm guessing it's a rack pinion. So what we're gonna be doing is just changing it out. I already bought it at the junkyard, so we're gonna swap it out and test it out. Hopefully it's that, and if everything is good, guys, our steering wheel is gonna move. Pinion, and this side looks pretty good, but this side looks like it gave out. So I'm guessing this is the part that it's not working anymore. So now that we took it off, we're gonna put on our new one. Finished putting the rack pinion. Now let's test it out, guys. There you go. We're really soft. No issues. So we finished putting the rack pinion. We got everything done. We moved the steering wheel. Everything is perfect, guys. But what we're gonna do now is wrap it up for today. It's getting kind of late on me. I got some things to do, so we'll see you in for you it's gonna be 1 second, and for me it's gonna be a couple hours, guys. So see you in a little bit. So it's the next day, guys, and I have some great news. I just found the front bumper for our Chevy built on off-road for a really good deal. So we're on our way to go pick it up right now. So we are here already. We're just waiting for him to come back. He went to go do an errand real quick. So we're just gonna be waiting for a little bit, and we'll see how the bumper looks once he brings it out, guys. We are back at the shop, and we already picked up our bumper, guys. It's a little bit worn out, but it's gonna get painted white, and it looks really good. I got it for a really good deal. So what we're gonna do now is line it up, put our grill, our lights, our front bumper, and see how it looks. really nice. All we have to do is just paint this bumper white, and we're good to go. So what we're gonna do now is just put the left side tail light in the back and give it a good wash, and we'll see the outcome, guys. The truck already, and it looks amazing. The paint popped out even more. We got all the dust off. Everything looks really good. Just minor details here and there, but overall the paint stood out really nice, guys. Now all we're gonna do is basically just get the front bumper painted, get the fender, this fender painted, and we'll move on to the next step, guys. So that's gonna be it for the video, guys. Stay tuned for part 4 of the Chevy build. What we're gonna do next, guys, is gonna be really nice. I've been texting this guy an offer for this lift, so we'll see how it goes, guys. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, guys, and stay tuned for my next video.